Before we get into the nitty-grittiness of JIRA, I wanted to take a quick moment and help out the people who are brand new to JIRA. Now, if you are already familiar with what JIRA is, then feel free to skip this video. But for formality's sake, let's introduce JIRA and what it is. So JIRA, as you would have probably heard, is a project management tool for pretty much any team of any size, whether it's to track business projects or agile teams to manage software projects. You could even call it a bug tracker, issue tracker, customer support tool, productivity tool, pretty much anything you want. It is developed by a company called Atlassian that is based in Australia but have offices worldwide and offer a wide range of products that integrate into each other. Now, JIRA, you could say, is actually offered up in a few different forms, which serve different purposes. However, at the core of it all, it is basically a workflow engine that allows you to track issues or tasks through customizable workflows, which basically determine how an issue can flow from start to completion and what are all the steps along the way. This basic functionality is what you would get with JIRA Core, which is the base bare bones JIRA tool that you could use for simple business-related project and task management. With JIRA Software, which is what we will be using in this course, you have extra agile functionality, where you could track software projects using agile methodologies. So in other words, JIRA Software includes both JIRA Core plus agile functionality. Some of the other products offered by Atlassian include JIRA Service Desk, which is basically a help desk solution, Confluence for managing documentation that ties into JIRA, and I do have a full section on Confluence as part of this course. Stride was actually launched in 2017 as a team communication tool, I guess you could say as a competitor to Slack. And finally, Bitbucket allows you to manage your code repository while tying into JIRA. You can see some of their other products on their website. Feel free to check them out on Atlassian.com if you just hover around products. And I definitely encourage you to check some of these out and also go through the page that they have on JIRA Software. Now keep in mind that because I will be going through JIRA Software, this course focuses heavily on that software aspect and how you would manage software projects using JIRA. So let's quickly touch on what makes JIRA such an effective tool for software projects. And I believe it is due to their extensive customization capabilities. You will definitely get a much better sense of this as you go through the course. But the fact that you can create user stories, plan and track sprints, organize reports and releases, and create custom workflows that can suit any team or process, and then you have the option of integrating your source code, documentation, team collaboration via Atlassian's other products. All of this makes it arguably the #1 development tool out there for agile teams. Furthermore, Atlassian has its own marketplace where you can find several third-party add-ons to add on to the functionality that JIRA already gives you. Things like time tracking tools, Gantt chart generation, resource allocation, the list goes on. And you can definitely check out their marketplace as well. So here I've selected JIRA and cloud hosting, and you can see that they've got some timesheets, they've got Gantt chart like I was mentioning, so on and so forth. You can add checklists. So I definitely encourage you to check out the marketplace as well to see what else is offered in the Atlassian marketplace community. So now, how could you start using JIRA? Unfortunately, the only downside to JIRA is that it's not free, no matter what option you choose. But there are definite cost-effective options that give you everything for a very minimal amount. You basically have two options. If you sign up for cloud, it's very easy. Just create an account and you're good to go. And for a small team of 10 users or less, that would put you down by $10 a month. But you wouldn't have anything else to worry about, such as maintenance or setup. And it's a very simple process. So if I swing back here to the JIRA Software page, they do offer you a 7-day free trial. So if you just click on try and then you go here, obviously they've got different packages if you want to try out some of the other products as well. but I'll just try JIRA Software for now. And all you have to do is just fill out this form. So you can select what your site name will be and fill out the form and start, and basically Atlassian will create your site right away, your JIRA instance, and you can log in and start playing around with it. So option 2 would be the server setup, where you essentially install JIRA yourself on your own server and access it on that server. This option ends up being cheaper, as for the same small team of 10 users or less, all you have to do is just a one-time payment of $10, and that's it. And even though it's cheaper, where you get unlimited access for just a one-time fee, it is a bit more tedious to set up. But don't worry, there are some videos towards the end of the course that show you how to go about installing it yourself on your own computer, and even setting up an internal network where you could access your JIRA installation from any other computer within that network. Also, something to just make a quick note of: this smallest package of up to 10 users is what they call starter packages. These can be used commercially, and all proceeds actually end up going to charity. More specifically, a non-for-profit organization called Room to Read, which strives to provide education to millions of children in lower income countries. Atlassian did at one point offer free licenses up to 3 users, but they decided to switch to a fully paid model, but offering the proceeds up to charity. And I think it is quite commendable of Atlassian, so I definitely recommend supporting that, as you also get an awesome tool out of it. So we've quickly touched on what JIRA is, its main benefits, and how to get it. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly go over some ground rules, tidbits, and overall structure of the course.